Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe, share and comment, like my video as well. This is neckband headset, JBL neckband headset. It has all the functions that you can ever imagine, and it comes in different colors. As you can see, all these are the available colors for this particular neck band. It's so nice. The features are mind-blowing. It can work for like 10 meters away from where your phone is, meaning you can take calls even when your phone is not in your hands or closer to you. When your phone is like 10 meters away from you, you can still use it to take calls. The range is so perfect, and with the Bluetooth 5.0, it has Bluetooth wireless 5.0. Then when searching for this in your Bluetooth, that's in terms of connection, that's when you turn it on, you want to connect, you will see the model number is live 122. Let's open and see what we have inside now. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is it. So demure and nice, very flexible. The wires on it's so flexible, it can't cut easily. It has a magnet that hold these two together. It can hold them together so that the wire will not be flinging while on your neck. As you can see, that's when you are not wearing it on your ear, the magnet can hold the two together. It's so comfortable, and it comes with a Type-C cord. Type-C cord in it. You are charging it with a Type-C, and this is where you plug it. You should look very well because this place is always covered. If you remove it, remove that black this thing, you plug your charger and use it to charge. These other spaces for memory card, that's M card. You can record music, then insert it, use it all day to listen to music without connecting to your phone Bluetooth. Okay, and this is the power button. That's the power button where you press and it will turn on. As you can see, it's on now, and the light is blinking here, that red and blue, meaning it has not been connected to any device. If you should search it on your phone now, that's when you will see the Bluetooth is very free. It's not connected to any device. It's still blinking. If you connect it, the light will just stop and be showing only the blue. Then this is the name you will find on the Bluetooth device. Yeah, it's so nice. And these three buttons you are seeing here, they are like a touch function. You don't press them, you just touch them, it will work. This particular one in the middle, you use it to take your calls, pause your music and play it back. You take your calls with it, pause music, then play it back. This is volume reduction and increase. You reduce volume with this and increase the volume with this too. It's so nice. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be seeing more of these tech videos. I know you should be wondering why I'm even making a video of this, thinking it's always that very easy to connect, but it's not that easy. I've been having a series of questions and calls from some of the customers complaining they cannot connect and they don't even know how the thing works. I just have to make this video to show my customer and other people who will be looking for a way to handle their connection. It's so simple to use. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.